learning about Van't Hoff Factor. Van't Hoff Factor is simply how many ions something disassociates into when it is placed in water. It sounds a little complicated, but let's just look at some examples. First, let's look at table salt, NaCl. We know that sodium is positive and chlorine is negative. When you put it into water, ion-dipole bonds will form, pull the two apart into two separate ions. So we could say the Van't Hoff factor is equal to 2. Next, we have Na3PO4. Well, we know that sodium is positive, and there's 3 of them, and we also know that phosphate is negative, and there's 1 of them. So 3 plus 1 is 4 different ions this will separate into. So its Van't Hoff factor is 4. C6H12O6. So this is actually a non-polar molecule. So when you place sugar into water, won't dissolve. It'll just stay as one little molecule. So we could say its Van't Hoff factor is equal to 1. And we could say the same thing for O2. When you place oxygen into water, it doesn't dissociate into 2 oxygen atoms. It just stays as one oxygen molecule, and its Van't Hoff factor is 1.